My name is JohnIrv. I work at the Wheel Mill Bike Park, and this is my bike check. I bought most of my bike parts at the Wheel Mill. Starting out with the frame, got a Bone Death the Machine frame, standard Geo, a little bit beefy, rocking some Odyssey R25 forks at the moment. Odyssey R Series forks, best in the business. For the wheels, I got some Odyssey complete wheels, Hazard light rims, Clutch V2 coaster in the back, Vendero Pro front hub. Got some Maxxis Grifter tires on there. Been running Maxxis Grifters for probably like 5 years now or something. Got some Colt butter pegs on there. Moving up to the cockpit, a Odyssey Dugan stem with the S&M no exit bars. I rock the S&M Mike Hoder BTM grips. Moving over to the drivetrain, I got some Shadow Odin cranks, rocking the S&M sprocket. Got some Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. And then I rock the Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain. We sell those at the Wheel Mill Bike Park as well. Yeah, just the seat left. Got an Odyssey stitch seat. Got like some red stitching going on there. That's pretty cool. Thanks for checking out my bike with me. Maybe I'll see you at the Wheel Mill.